Hello kids, welcome to Fun Learning. Hope you are healthy, happy and safe. Today we will learn about sounds. Doesn't that sound fun? I want to tell you a story. Settle down fast and listen to me carefully. One day, Kadam climbed on roof to fly kite. But door of the roof was locked. Kadam asked his mom for the key to open the door. His mom gave him keys to open the door. While Kadam was flying the kite, more kids joined him with their kites. They all have fun together. Kadam's mom got milk for them in a kettle and served it to them in cups. So kids, you learned names of different pictures like kite, key, kettle and kid. Can you now tell me what is the first sound of these pictures? Yes, it is k. It is k. Besides these pictures, we have some more pictures like king, kangaroo, and kiwi. Here you can see capital K and small k, and the sound of K is k. Sound of K is k. Kitten with full of white fur. Come to my home, together we have fun. Kitten with full of white fur. Come to my home, together we have fun. Kitten with full of white fur. Come to my home, together we have fun. With this, we completed the fun activity of knowing phonetics. I hope you have fun. Please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications on new amazing learning videos. Good luck. Have a great day.